If you want to learn how to edit a Hostinger website, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you need to update your text, change images, fix a section, or publish a fresh update to your site, Hostinger makes it pretty straightforward once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is go to your Hostinger dashboard. This is the main place where you manage your website, hosting, and all the important tools connected to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Website section and click on it. This will show you the list of websites connected to your Hostinger account. Now find the website you want to edit. Next to that site, you'll see a dashboard button. Click that to open the management panel for the specific website you want to work on. From here, Hostinger gives you access to the tools you need to make changes to your site. After you open the site dashboard, look for the Edit Website option and click it. This is the button that launches the website editor, allowing you to start making changes directly to your pages. Depending on how your website is built, this may open Hostinger's website builder or the editor connected to your site setup. Once the editor opens, you can begin making your changes. This is where you can update your text, replace images, adjust layout sections, change buttons, edit headings, or refine any part of the page that needs improvement. Take your time here and review everything carefully so your website looks exactly the way you want it to. As you edit, make sure to check each section of the page. If you're updating content for a business website, this is a good time to refresh your homepage, services, contact details, or any other important information. If you're editing a personal site or portfolio, you can also improve the design, add new visuals, or update your message to keep everything current. When you're done making changes, the final step is to save and publish your work. Look for the Update Website or Publish button and click it to push your changes live. This is an important step because editing alone does not always make the changes visible to visitors right away. Publishing ensures your updated content appears on your live website. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit a Hostinger website from the dashboard all the way through publishing your updates. It's a quick process once you know the exact steps, and it can save you a lot of time when you need to manage your own site. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.